guys, Empress LuxAse. Please like and subscribe. Thank you to everyone that does. Starting over my day upright. So I wanted to do a reading on JT from City Girls because I think I've done Carisha readings and readings about City Girls in general. But I was watching an interview with JT last night with Jeans, and she was talking about her son No Bar, and I'm like, yo, she's coming into her own. Like, you know, she got her own little swag and style. So I was like, okay, I want to know what's going on with JT. Like, there's a big change. Like, I see her like really growing outside of the City Girls, making her own mark, which I love that for her. So, well, I know she says she deals with anxiety. So, you know, anxiety limits you. So, but I see a change in her. So, Spirit, what can we expect from JT for the remainder of this year in 2023? That was a lot. Anything else? Wow. What? This is weird. But I mean, hey. So, JT, you got the Death card with the Five of Cups, both reversed. So I really hope this is not a physical death. I hope this is more like a transformation. But with this reverse, Scorpio season is October, November. So this could be something happening then. It's like she's refusing to accept the ending. Still stuck in the past. And it's like a standstill. She's disappointed with something, worried, and she's resisting the change. But by her doing that with the Five of Cups, it's only making it more painful, causing the wound to be deeper. She's grateful for what this situation brought for her, accepting it, is wanting to forgive and actively deal with it and recover from it. A lot of people sleep on JT, but JT is really interesting. Then you got the Knight of Swords paired with the Queen of Pentacles. She be ready for it. She be ready for it. But she's still about her business. She's very focused on generating prosperity. The Queen of Pentacles is the top at HBIC. Could be maternal, but she don't have no kids. I don't think she really focused on that right now. Very focused on being articulate, but she still will go there. She about her money, but she's still a city girl. It's a lot of knights here for her though, because you got the Knight of Cups and the Knight of Pentacles. Knights be ready for war. So, and then you got the Knight of Wands over here. So these could be different people energies in her reading, or this just could be her. Like, I don't know why I heard scrapped up. What? Scrapped up? What? Scrapped up? Like, I know what scrapped up means. Like, you got your gun. Why did I hear scrapped up with her reading? There's a lot of knights here. So she could be getting a lot of attention. But these people, they're like knights to her. Knights, don't nobody take knights seriously. But, because then you got the Knight of Swords, the Knight of Cups, and Knight of Pentacles. The Knight of Cups and Knight of Pentacles are both offering something. So this gives me a lot of people are offering her stuff. This could be even dudes because she's pretty. But she's looking at it like, child, please, I'm a queen. You what? These are new offers coming to her as well. The Knight of Swords is something from the past, because if you ever see the Knight of Swords, they're pointed this way. The Nine of Cups are pointed this way, and the Nine of Wands is pointed this way. Why is there so many knights in your reading, JT? I ain't gonna lie, I feel like it's some men sliding in her DMs. Cause then you got the King of Cups, Nine of Wands, Page of Cups. They shooting they shot, cause like she has a lot of offers. Okay, I wouldn't. Okay, but what about Uzi Vert? Then you got the World card paired with the Hermit. She's ready, like she's gonna be traveling a lot, ready to open a new chapter. You know, ready for the success. But she's also is seeking guidance about this new chapter, like to get wisdom. So she's gonna take some solitude to really figure out what she wants. You know what I just realized? The Queen of Pentacles is Sagittarius to Aquarius. No, it's Capricorn. December 3rd. No, it's still the beginning of Sagittarius all the way to January 9th, which is Aquarius. No, to Capricorn. So I do know she's a Sag, so she's definitely in her own, like she's good in her own energy. She's definitely in her own energy. She's thinking for herself. Then you have the Star paired with the Seven of Wands. I think about the Star's fame to me, especially when you're dealing with celebrities, but also could mean that she's standing her ground about certain things, and it's put her in a favorable position. She's like really showing people who she is, like being a boss. She's also working on her mental health, on her creativity, like really thinking about the vision, being a visionary. Also, she gets some spiritual guidance as well. Generous, like she's giving back. She's really healing, and it's like a renewal taking place. She's standing up for herself about something. Page of Cups paired with the Four of Wands reverse. She gonna get some bad news with this Four of Wands energy. Some sort of emotional instability. With this situation, she may be too impulsive and naive and irrational, also being irresponsible or unrealistic. Or this could be someone she's dealing with. The Four of Wands is still a good card. It's just to a lesser degree. If the Four of Wands was upright, it's marriage, harvest, success, family happiness, settling down, but it's reversed. So this gives me this is something to do with her family or her relationship. It's still good, but it's an unstable foundation. Which, yeah, I see Uzi. I be questioning like, girl, but if you love him, I love him too for you. Then you got the King of Cups, Knight of Wands. JC, I'm trying to figure out why you got all this male energy in your reading. Girl, what's tea? Because what is this? She might be doing a song with a male artist coming up. Maybe Aquarius or Pisces. This person may give back. Real good social skills, professional. A lot of people want to work with her because you got Knight of Wands. But I'm sorry, I feel like it's some dudes shooting a shot at her too as well. You got people wanting to work with her, but JT, Spirit, why is there so many knights in her reading? Clarify those knights in her reading. Like she's getting a lot of attention from males. Women can be nice too, but why clarify all those knights in her reading? I see her like branching out, doing a lot more projects. so many knights in her reading spirit. Justice. Pair with the King of Wands reverse, the Magician reverse, and the Scrim card reverse. Maybe something due to the, I hope she's not getting in trouble, something to do with the legal system, justice system, legalities. Oh, because she was locked up. So these could be people that she knew from prison that just really still mess with her. Oh, yeah, because she did, in an interview, she was saying she started this foundation. I can't tell you what she called. I think it was like JT No Bars. I know that was the name of the song, but she started, let me see. JT Starts Foundation. So she was talking about it. I just listened to it. JT City Girl. I can't think of the name though. Yeah, it's called No Bars Reform. So that's why you got the justice here. To help incarcerated women. So I hope this is not, I hope that's what that is and not any new legalities for her. I'm also gonna mean just good karma coming her way, balance and harmony, having integrity, speaking the truth, wanting things to be equal. I think that's really dope that she's doing the No Bars Reform. That's really dope. But as for why all those knights are in her reading, could be something linked to this reform. Like, she may get a lot of support for it. But this King of Wands here. Maybe people from the industry. Then you got the Scrimp card, Leo energy here. It's like, things are out of control with this energy. I don't know, this is really weird. There's a lot of masculine energy, but it's like, ain't no boss dudes. So many people may have unclear objectives with her as well. Are very opinionated. I feel like that got something to do with Uzi. Uzi give me weird. Sorry if y'all fan. What's going on with her and Carisha? They're gonna have some sort of news that's inspiring with the Page of Cups and Four of Pentacles. There's a need for them wanting to be in control of their, whatever this news is. I think they're supposed to drop an album. I don't know if they dropped it yet. Could be that. They want to be in control, like almost too possessive of it. And maybe because they feel like there's a lack of security for what's theirs. Eight of Cups reverse paired with the Eight of Pentacles. It's interesting, that's 2 8s. They may be traveling together, like really, getting the material pleasures. May have to defend their status more so. And then there's another Knight. They have a lot of resources. They're really trying to be responsible, cautious, dependable, focused on financial stability, and very hardworking. I don't know. This is weird because, like, it's like a. Like nothing. I don't know why I'm hearing nothing. No. What is that? I literally have no channel thoughts. She must really keep her thoughts to herself. Like it's very private. Cause I'm literally getting no channel thoughts from this girl. Is GT talking to other guys? Yes. Yes. Some wishes will come true in her fantasy superficial. She's enjoying it. So clarify. And it's on the low. If this is going to happen, this is happening. Ooh, and there go that justice again. Partying, 3 of Cups. She outside. Justice. Yeah, temporary conflicts within the relationship. There's this harmony there and this trust. There's a conflict. The moon, Pisces energy, secrets. I told you, it's like there's something she's keeping to herself. Clarity, needing to make decisions. There's that line again, script in reverse. Something's not as strong as it used to be. The sun reverse. Like she's losing the enthusiasm about something. And realizing it could be causing untapped potential for her. And then you got the 3 of Swords. I mean, it's reversed. There's a loss of sorrow here, but then there's a reconciliation energy, like somebody may apologize. She really keeps like her thoughts to herself. She outside though. I don't know if she meditates or something or knows how to quiet her mind. But I literally have no channel thoughts for Gigi. That's weird. Maybe she's on vacation or something, but like it's quietness. Birds chirping. She's in her own world. That's interesting. That never happens. But I mean, in the day, I didn't expect her reading to be so weird. Bye.